Hi, my next video will show you how to build this Siri animation clone in SwiftUI. It involves 2D rotation and 3D rotation. But in this video, let's look at how to draw the assets. These are assets from Figma. So I will go to the browser, to the Figma community. I'm going to search for Siri. The one we are looking for is iOS 14 Siri icon. That is this one. So you can click get a copy. I have already cloned this, so I have it opened in Figma. When we go to the layer list, it contains all these layers. To bring the asset into Xcode, we will export all the individual layers as PDF. To arrange them, we are going to use a Z-stack parent container in SwiftUI. So let's select the first one and the last. Then we go to the properties inspector, then click export 11 layers. I have my downloads folder open, so I have already created an Xcode SwiftUI project. So let's go to the assets folder and bring all the assets. Here we have all the individual layers as in the Figma document. Now let's go to content view and then arrange all the assets as we saw in the Figma document. To do this, we are going to use a Z-stack parent container and make sure we have the same order as in the Figma document. So we have the layer highlight on top of all the other layers, and the one which is below all the layers is the shadow layer. So let's go back to Xcode. On the left, we have the layer list in the Figma document. Let's change this container to Z-stack. Then we remove the content and put image. Let's start with the shadow. You can see we have the shadow on the screen. Then we can copy this image and paste it here. In SwiftUI, when we have the images arranged this way, the one on the top here will appear below this one. So the views arrangement should be opposite to the one we have in the Figma document. So let's change this one from shadow to icon BG. Below that, we're going to paste this one. And the next layer is pink top. Let's repeat the same process until we add the last layer, which is highlight. In the Figma document, we have 11 layers. In SwiftUI, the container views accept only 10 layers. So what we can do is to remove 2 of them and put them in a group. So I will cut these 2 views and add a group. I will paste the 2 here. So we have the same icon as we have in the Figma document. So this is how to bring the Figma assets into Xcode. In the next video, we will look at how to create the 2D and the 3D rotation animation of the Siri icon. Thanks for watching.